Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming hardware and drivers, so you avoid chasing software fixes for a physical problem. First, inspect the monitor EDID and confirm the model in Windows Display or your GPU control panel. Mismatched EDID often causes stretched black screens. Once done, update the GPU driver to the latest stable release and reconnect with a known good cable and port. Make sure to use the native resolution display briefly to verify the issue persists before changing scaling or custom resolutions. Now you tackle software scaling and custom modes that often produce a black or cropped image. First, set Windows scaling to 100% and confirm the display resolution matches the panel's native value. Then open the GPU control panel to create a verified custom resolution or refresh rate. This fixes mismatches that cause black borders. Once done, disable per-app display scaling, and if your GPU offers it, enable GPU scaling to control how the image is stretched. That prevents inconsistent OS versus driver scaling conflicts. To finish, apply changes and reboot so the display driver and OS pick up the final timing and scaling. You should test full-screen apps, windowed full screen, and video playback to confirm the black areas are gone. If a new driver caused the problem, roll back or use display driver uninstaller and reinstall a stable build. If issues persist, try a different cable, port, or onboard graphics to isolate hardware versus software. That last step is the quickest way to pinpoint weather settings or a component needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.